Way with Words. Registering an account. Welcome to Way with Words. To register an account, visit waywithwords.net and click on Client Sign In. Select Sign Up with email and follow the prompts. You will receive an OTP in your inbox. Enter this into the field indicated and proceed to complete your details. Under Account Type, select Personal if you are making payment in a personal capacity, and Business if your organisation will be paying the invoice. Please complete all business details required. This is the information we use to validate your account and create your invoices. Thank you for watching. Visit www.waywithwords.net for more details.